Okay. Kia ora, everybody. Ko Rose Rudolph aho. I am part of the Hiko team, and I thought I'd do a really quick video about how to onboard, book a car, use the planner function, get your driver license verified. I'll do a really quick video, and I want to shoot through this because I don't want it to be too long. So let's get started. First things first is you will only see this if you've sent an inquiry to hiko@nwo.iwi.nz and you fit the criteria. Full driver license, 21 years and older, and then a registered hapu member. Okay, I will send you a long email. Please read it. I will also attach the Hiko handbook and the Hiko onboarding guide. Please, please, please read those because honestly, when whānau have a hard time, it's usually because they just haven't read the instructions. Okay, so please make sure you read it. I'll also tell you in person, but it is a lot of information at once. We want to have a good time, not a hard time. So let's share the screen. Pardon me. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is check your email. Okay. The Hiko website is accessible only through email invitation, and this is what it looks like. There's a big yellow button here. You're going to click accept invitation. Now, unfortunately, I can't take you through the next steps just because it involves private information, but basically it's going to ask you things like setting a password for your account, accepting the terms and conditions and signing that off, as well as putting in your phone number and your driver license details. Okay, so just make sure everything in there is perfect. And then you've literally created an account. All right, now let's go back to the website. Share my screen. Okay, so this is our beautiful Hiko website. The website is hiko.zilch.nz. Now you need to sign in. You probably already signed in actually when you go through the sign up flow. So this is the book a car page. There is only one pickup and drop off hub at the moment, and it is Ōrākei and Marae. Down here you've got the pickup date and time selection, so you can click in there and choose. You need to make sure that you know exactly what time you're supposed to pick up because there is a 15-minute cap. If you select 3 p.m. for your pickup time and you don't make it there in time to 3:15 and tap your card onto the car, your booking is going to expire. Okay. You also have to select your drop-off time and day, and the maximum booking time for a Hiko at the moment is 12 hours. So if you collect your Hiko at 9 a.m., easy, you just drop it off at 9 p.m. Sussed. Then you click this button. Now, if you find that you've got your circle going round and round and round on this yellow bar, basically that just means that there's no cars available. The times you've selected, there's nothing available. And so what you need to do is go to the menu on your left-hand side and you click the down arrow next to book a car and you can find the planner feature. Planner feature is the best. I love it. Now, it's not going to be as fun on a phone. The website is designed for a desktop. So if you're using a laptop, this is going to be great, but if you're using the phone, it's going to be a little bit difficult. I mean, you can rotate it to view the bookings because if you scroll through here, you can see, oh, 2 cars are booked there. You got 1 available there. Oh, a little bit of bookings on Thursday. You've got a booking on Friday. And so you won't be able to see other people's bookings. You'll just see when it's booked, but you can move, edit, drag, drop your own booking, of course. So you can use the arrow and drag it across to edit the start time. You just click in here and then confirm it. And then if you want to kind of see in the future, you click this calendar icon here and you can choose a date. So let's choose the 30th of January. You're going to click the right arrow and it will take you to that date. And you can also choose what car because we have 3 cars at the moment. We've got Hiko Tahi, which is red and yellow, Hiko Roa, which is blue, and Hiko Toru, which is the white one. So you can choose to have the blue one on the Thursday. If you want to book, you click in a time block here, double click, sorry, and it shows you exactly what car you're going to have, who the driver is, and you can just edit the times however you like. So let's click confirm. All right, so one thing that does happen is it resets to the current day, so you won't see it. If you want to, you can go back to that day, so 30th of January, and then click the arrow. Oh, I forgot we need to go back a day. It's another tricky thing. Go back a day. There we go. There's the booking. You can also check on the left-hand side here in bookings. Ta-da! So it shows your upcoming bookings and all of your past bookings as well. Really easy. You've got the how-to guide here as well too. So this shows all the community car sharing rules, terms and conditions. Jaden also stars in the Hiko driver safety video. Great tips in there. You need to make sure that you watch that. And then you've got your profile. So this is really important. Every detail has to be correct. Okay, your date of birth, your name, because the profile name needs to match your driver license name. If it doesn't match, you're going to have verification issues. And this phone number as well needs to be correct because you will get text reminders to your phone. And it's really handy to have those. You get them 15 minutes before your booking. This little box here, access card number. So that's not for your credit card or your bank card. That number is your Hiko card number. So once you've successfully registered on the website, you need to contact me or the Hiko team and figure out when's a good time to come and pick up my card. It'll always be from the marae. And on your Hiko card, it's beautiful, they're yellow. It has a number very similar to Jaden's one. It'll end with like 89 or 100, whatever number we're up to. You need to put that number in this box because if you don't and you book a car and you go and pick it up, you'll be tapping for ages. Nothing's going to happen just because they don't know to talk to each other. The system doesn't know that that's your card. So really important you put that number in there before you make a booking. And then in terms of driver license verification, you just want to make sure, again, last name of the license and the profile match exactly, the license number and also the version number. And then you may find that if you put in your license expiry and all of a sudden it's 1/1/1970, I'm not too sure why, it's just a bug that occurs while we're processing. And this icon right here, keep an eye on that because if there's nothing there, give us a call, get in contact with us because it means that we need to push it through. If there is an orange clock, just means it's processing. Once you get the green tick, you're done. You're verified. Come pick up your Hiko card and you can book a car and you're good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it's pretty simple and I think I'm going to end this video before it gets too long because I could ramble all day, but honestly, any questions at all, email us, text us, or call Zilch 0800 4 Zilch. I've also got information inside the cars as well, and including the BYD roadside assistance. There's also the wallbox system as well, but I'll put that in another video. All right, ka kite.